To integrate custom forms in Shopify, you can either use Shopify's built-in features or third-party apps, depending on the complexity of the form. Using Shopify's native editor, go to Online Store, Themes, Customize. Choose the page where you want the form, then add a custom liquid block or use the contact form template. For basic contact forms, create a new page under Online Store, Pages. Select the page.contact template and edit the HTML to include custom fields like text inputs, drop-downs, or checkboxes. However, Shopify's native form functionality is limited to basic fields. For advanced or fully customized forms, use apps like Form Builder by Wholecaps, Powerful Contact Form Builder, or Shopify Forms. These apps allow you to drag and drop fields, integrate with email marketing tools, and set up notifications. To embed the form, most apps provide a shortcode or embed script, which you can paste into any page or section using the HTML or liquid block in the Shopify editor. Once added, test the form to ensure submissions are working and notifications are being sent to your email or CRM. Always use CAPTCHA or spam protection for security.